guys, welcome to another video. It's August the 7th today, late in the afternoon, come down for after work session. Lovely day, 21 degrees, not too hot, not too cold. And I've just come to this swim, real shallow fast section. And I've seen a few chubby mulling around. There's one right near the bridge, so I'm just going to drop a 3-line dendrobina on his head and see if he'll take it straight away. Gear I'm using, it's quite heavy float today, going not too light. Got my ever trusty Shimano Vengeance barbell rod, just a fixed ball reel, 6 pound line straight through, size 12 guru hook. I'm looking forward to this. There's another group of fish further downstream as well. I might feed a bit of maggots and get their confidence up before casting in for them. So I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be good. I'm fishing late into the evening tonight as well. Trying a few different spots on this river. Hopefully maybe get some barbel and perch as well. So watch this space and let's see if I can get that chub. Catch you in a minute. Yes, we got him. Lovely chub. 2.5 pounder. Beautiful condition. Let's have a closer look. Well, that didn't take long, did it, guys? Literally second cast. As soon as I got the bait in the flow, chub took it. The camera actually moved as I was playing the fish, so I'm sorry I didn't get the footage, but lovely fish. 2 pound probably. Nice way to start the session. Booked a great fight in this fast flow. Just double dendrobina doing the business, 3-line. That lovely fish. Really happy with that. And a great start for chub for me this year. Beautiful fish. See, that one that I spotted, the other one was a bit bigger, but I'm not too fussed. That is a beauty. Let's get him back in. Big roach. My God, I've never seen roach that big. There are some monsters in there. Can't wait to cast them. There's got to be fish that are 2 pound plus in there. They're monsters. Let's get a rod out. Alright guys, I'm down third swim of the day now. Lovely roach knocking around. Apologies for the wind, it's got quite a bit. I'm going to try change the centre pin. I'm going to try stick floating this swim for a little bit, see what we can have. There's some real nice roach in here, but they're always the hardest fish to catch, aren't they? Let's give it a whirl. about £1/2. Have a quick look at him. Put my hands on the net a little bit. Get my kitchen for dry hands. Looking a bit ominous with these clouds. Let's have a look at this fish. There's a beauty. It's much bigger out there, but very pleased to get off the mark with this lovely fish. Lively. First roach of the day, beauty. Let's get him back in. About £1/2, I'll give him a cent for that then. Lovely, lovely red. Oh, he's very lively. Lovely, lovely red fin. Let's get him back in. Put him back in there as well. Alright guys, well, I'm deciding to move on now, but a great session. Best roach being this fish. I've had about 10 or 11 roach, all between like £1/2 and £1, well, a few smaller ones, but that's probably the pick of the bunch, maybe 12 ounces. Lovely fish. Some real big ones in the middle, but God, they're so hard to catch. Getting the presentation right, minnows attacking the bait is difficult, but that's a great perch. To finish off this peg anyway. I'm going to move on to a different peg now. But that is a beauty. And then, never far away, you've guessed it, caught a couple of perch, this one being the best. I don't know, fish of about £1. It's from worm, great take, fights so well and it's crystal clear water, beautiful fish. Happy to get that. Aren't they beautiful? Show his fin up a lot. So, great day. Let's get these two back. Good fish this, this is a good fish. Whoa, this is a good fish. Got some chub, or big perch. Whoa. Oh, it's a big perch, a cracking perch this. Stay on. Beauty. Second biggest one before, maggot on maggot as well. Beauty. Look at that. What a cracker. Well, I've got an end to this swimming. I thought I'd have a couple more casts. and I'm glad I did. So I got this beautiful perch. Oh, he's very lively because I rested him. £1.10. These just can't stop catching these stunning perch. It's been an amazing season so far. What a fish, look at that beauty. That's a cracker, not a mark on him. Real dark colour again. I couldn't believe it, I was only fishing maggot for the roach and got him on double maggot. What a cracker. The way he went off I thought it was a chub. Power on him was unbelievable. What a fight on the centre pin. But yeah, a beauty. Wow. Got a real wide tail. I don't know if he's got a swollen tail or it's just muscle, I don't know. What a fish. Oh, that is a beauty. Quickly show you the other side. Just immaculate on that side as well. What a beauty. Huge mouth on him. They don't take prisoners, these fish. I must love this area with the minnows and the other small fish. They're supposed to be chomping on them. £1.10. That's my second biggest I've had this season so far, so very welcome. So getting back, and I'm moving to the next swim now. Let's do a bit of barbel fishing, eh? Beauty. Hi again, guys. It's getting late now. It's coming up to 8 o'clock in the evening. I've returned to my barbel swim that I baited up earlier in the evening. Seen one barbel milling around, but it's really hard to see through the water now because the sun's come down. It's causing a really sharp glare. But I just don't know what to do. I've got a rod out now on pellet. I'm going to have to sit it out, put both rods out and just wait it out, and hopefully some more fish will move in. I've seen a couple of chub knocking around at the bridge further up. It seemed really spooky though tonight. This spot's been fished recently. But yeah, I'm not too confident. Not as confident as I was last time. But you've got to be in it to win it, haven't you? I think I might set up another ledge rod, put one out on maggot and one out on pellet, and just wait until darkness and see if the fish get more confident. And that's the plan. But it's been a great day. I've had that lovely perch, nice chub, and some cracking roach as well, so a real mixed bag, and if I can get that barbel it'd be the icing on the cake. So hope we can get it. I'll see you in a bit. Can't turn him. Yes, you got him. We got him, guys. Actually, it's not as little as I thought, it's quite a good size. It's a good one. Beautiful magic. Well, again, guys. Great result again tonight. This season started on fire, isn't it? What a beautiful fish. Lovely. I haven't weighed him yet. I'm guessing about £6 probably. Not as big as that one I had last month. But what stunning barbers. Didn't fight as well as the other one, but he just plodded like a big fish usually does. Great take again though. Just on 6mm pellets. Bait banded. Seems to be working for me. I saw a few fish when it's daytime, but it was really spooky. And as soon as night's fallen, my rod tip's been tapping with the line bites, and it's been great. So, oh, what a fish! Really happy with that fish. He's a beauty. Let's get him back in, get him well rested. I'll let you know the weight, guys. I'm gonna weigh him now. See you in a bit. I'll quickly show you the other side. Very quickly. He's immaculate fish. What a beauty. Let's get him back in. Right, hi guys, wow, what a session that was. Topping it off with that barbel. I didn't bother weighing him because I just wanted to get him straight back in. I'm guessing around £6. But brilliant day. Quality roach, quality perch, nice little chub, and a nice barbel as well. Can't get better than that. I'm tired now, it's about 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to call up McDonald's on the way in for a coffee and some food. So, thanks for tuning in again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this latest one. And I'll be back out on the rivers very soon. All the best. Tight lines out there, guys.